Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create price list in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word, and then I'm going to go to the templates and select one of the template from Microsoft Word. And for example guys, I'm going to go to the templates menu. I'm going to click on more templates, and if we want to search for a specific template, we just need to add it right here. For example, I'm going to type in price list because we don't have price list. Okay, and as you can see guys, that there are only two templates we can use, and you can read the instruction right here. If you cannot find what you're looking for here, we can go to the templates.office.com. Okay, and I have opened this website guys. As you can see that here we will get a lot of templates for myself. Okay, and for example guys, I'm just going to choose random price list. Okay, I think it looks good. Okay, if you want to get the template, you can click on download. Okay, now the template has been downloaded, and I'm going to check it in my file explorer. Okay, and this is the template we have just downloaded. I'm going to open it. All right, and you just need to replace the information with your own information, and you can customize it as you like. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to create price list in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.